Join me in welcoming Mr. Donnie Pangilinan.
Hello, hello! Hello po sa inyo lahat. Hi, Sun Lifers! Kumusta naman kayo? I'm very, very happy to be here right now in Cebu. Be right back. Hi, Miss Marga. Hello po.
Hi, Donnie.
I just actually arrived from the flight and I'm so happy to be joining amazing advisors, clients, and everyone from Sun Life. So thank you for having me. Alright, I would like everyone actually to try out the Play for Your Life game that you actually saw me and the other endorsers of Sun Life play. It was really fun actually. It's a game of choices board game, so whether it's life happenings, life choices, or life wins, playing this game can help you learn how to make bright moves towards a brighter life. So as Miss Carla and Miss Marga mentioned, you can play the life-size tabletop versions. Ay, iba pala yun. Life-size yung mga sa mall. Yung mga malaking versions na kasing laki ko yung, or hindi naman, matakad kasi ako yung mga ganyan siguro. Yung version na may big dice and yung talagang full version ng board game. Pero meron ding tabletop, kagaya na nakita nyo sa video kanina. And we also have those games sa mga malls sa Davao and Iloilo. Then soon at any of the Sun Life branches. But if you're not able to go to these locations, you can also play online. So I actually tried the version online a while ago sa cellphone. Okay din siya, sobrang ganda ng animations. And speaking of playing the game online, I would like to invite my fellow Sun Life ambassadors, Piolo, Sarah, Mateo, please try the Play for Life online versions in multiplayer mode. And you could play this game with your friends, families, at mas masaya naman talaga when you play the game together with your friends and your loved ones. Okay, aside from being a very engaging game, can I just say na sobra ang mga prizes ng i-release ng Sun Life para sa inyo. As a client, hoping ako na sana manalo din ako ng trip to Japan. Pero kahit hindi ka client, pwede ka pa rin manalo. All details and updates on the promo can be found on our socials. So please make sure to follow at Sun Life PH on Facebook, IG, X, and TikTok. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Donnie. That is really so exciting, diba? You play and then you learn about finances and you even get a chance to win a travel voucher. Isn't that amazing?
Gusto niyo ba mag-Japan?
Diba? So once again, Donnie, maraming salamat. But please stay with us because we will have a quick fireside chat. So, ayan. So while that is setting up, also along with your fellow brand ambassadors sila Piolo, Sarah, and Mateo, how was your experience?
The experience was very fun. I was just asking sila Terena actually kung may time ba na nagkaroon yung Sun Life ng isang day na lahat ng brand ambassadors nasa isang shoot. Hindi pa daw. So first time yun na lahat kami nasa isang shoot. Kasi usually ibang-ibang shoot yung ginagawa namin. And it was so fun because all of us we really had fun playing. Parang naglaro lang talaga kami sa shoot na yun. Ang ganda ng rapport namin lahat, yung chemistry. And it's nice because I felt like, I was playing with family and friends. So super fun. I think it's something that everyone should try out, especially with people that they're close to or your friends, because you will really learn a lot, especially about financial literacy or anything that can happen all of a sudden in your life na hindi mo ma-expect. And it's very nice also for those who are not so aware of what we can possibly have through Sun Life.
Yes, that's very true. And yeah, we can see in the video that you were really just enjoying. Doesn't seem like it was being shoot nga diba? So, let's start with a real fireside chat. And we will take our cue from the game. No? So, first question, and this is for you. Tell us about the time when you had to shell out a big amount of cash unexpectedly, and how did you handle it?
Unexpectedly? I think it would have to be during the pandemic. Kasi bigla na lang lahat tayo nawala ng work and we were all at home. So, thankfully, through the guidance of my parents and advisors, I was able to have some savings. So doon ko nakuha yung mga kailangan ko. Like, for example, yung basic needs sa bahay, kasi naka-lockdown tayong lahat. And anything I would need just to buy like food, electrical bills, pay electrical bills, water, and just to be able to sustain like wherever I am or whatever sickness. Nagka-COVID din ako 3 times yung time na yun. So, it was very important for me to have a savings. Yeah.
Correct, no? And it's really important. And tama yon na buti na lang talaga na may savings, no? And this one also, since napag-usapan niyo yung paghahanda, one of example of life happens, this goes for Miss Carla naman, is critical illness. Paano nakakatulong ang insurance doon po?
Okay, so when we say critical illness, usually it's not something that we want to happen to us, right? So an example would be cancer or heart attack or stroke. And we hear friends or family members getting those kinds of illnesses. And syempre, ayaw naman natin mangyari sa atin or sa pamilya natin, right? But if in case it does happen, Sun Life has particular life insurance products or critical illness products can actually help defray the cost of treatment, rehabilitation, and recovery for those kinds of illnesses. Now, the products that we offer, what's nice about it, Marga, and I'm sure you know this, it's different from your usual health insurance because the benefit we pay out to the insured. We don't give it to the hospital. So the insured now has the option to go to whichever hospital he or she wants to be treated. So for example, like me, I have a Sun Fit and Well product too, and I'm covered based on the face amount that I've purchased. And it gives me now the peace of mind because I wouldn't need to, think about saan ba ako dapat magpapagamot. But rather, the choice is already there sa akin. Kasi I know that I have the funds that can help me whenever, sana hindi mangyari, but when it happens.
Alright, and I totally agree that it's really for peace of mind because like what you said, we really don't know what's gonna happen kung kahit fit ka ngayon, sa tingin mo sexy ka or macho ka, but you still don't know when critical illness hits you, right? Now, let's talk about a win naman. And this is for Donnie. Tell us about a win you had recently and what did you do with that extra money that you have? Yeah, financial win. Like merong extra, may dumating na blessing sa'yo, parang ganon.
Dumating na blessing. Siguro po yung latest endorsement ko.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung latest endorsement? Yung Executive Optical ba yun? Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero siguro kasi pag nagkakaroon po ako ng endorsement, I be sure to put it in different places, hindi lang isa. So siguro yung extra money, I probably used it in investing in real estate.